how to fix Samsung phone not ringing. First, open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. Scroll down and tap on Sounds and Vibration, then tap on Volume. Here you'll see different volume controls. Make sure the ringtone volume slider is not set too low or turned off. If the ringtone volume is low, drag the slider to the right to increase it. If this volume is muted, your phone may receive calls, but you won't hear the ringtone. Now go back to the main settings page and tap on Notifications. After that, select Do Not Disturb. Inside this menu, make sure the Do Not Disturb toggle is turned off. When this feature is enabled, it can silence incoming calls and notifications, which may be the reason your phone is not ringing. Next, go back to the main settings page again. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility, then select Hearing Enhancements. Here, check if the Mute All Sounds option is enabled. If it is turned on, disable it, because this setting can completely mute all sounds on your device, including call ringtones. If the issue still isn't fixed, try the last method. Go back to the main settings page and tap on General Management. Scroll down and tap on Reset, then select Reset Mobile Network Settings and tap Reset Settings to confirm. This will refresh your network-related settings, which can sometimes fix calling issues. After completing these steps, restart your phone and check your incoming calls again. That's it. Your Samsung Galaxy phone should now start ringing normally during incoming calls. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.